I'm making a list. Hello, I'm making a card game with two players who get three different cards each. For this, I want to load a list of unique integers. Each one corresponds to one unique card. To do this, I load the list with the support of a list of integers, a list aux. This support list aux is needed because it will include the integers which are still left to fill the list of unique integers. Here we have to have these nodes. I had run and then debug the application. So the list was loaded here first. That's why it has 6. So size list is 6. Size is 6 of the list. So I decided to use a list instead of an array list, because whenever you remove an element from a list, the list turns shorter, while if you use an array list, it turns out the same size but with that element removed. And what I did was load supported list with the size we want. So we wanted with 6 elements, and then I declared the variables. The random, which will the random will give an aleatory number. Random int is the random index from the support list. List aux. Random element is the corresponding element of random int inside the support list. List aux. The size list aux has the same size of the list at the beginning. This is because while the elements inside list aux are being taken to the list aux is being reduced and getting shorter, less size. So you can do less cycles to load the list. Cycle number aux equals to know how many cycles will be done. So it's 6 because the size of the list is 6. Then we go loading the list with unique elements supported by an auxiliary list random. After loading the list auxiliary as here, that was where we load the list supported. After loading this list, to take the elements from the list aux to the list, we make some points. So first we found the random integer. We found a random integer which will be the index of the list aux, of supporting list aux. And then we're going to get that element, which we call it the random element. So list aux get, first we have the size list aux. List aux is the size of the list aux. Then we take the index of one element in the list aux, random point next to it, size list aux, and then we get the element from the list aux, and then After having the random element from the list aux, we can add it to the list and then remove it from the list aux, so it never be chosen again. So like this, we can make full the list. So here, let me see, I can tell you, here we have the list, it's 6 like we wanted, and we have here the list with unique integers. So, and then the list aux, we have it here, the list aux, it's with the size nil. So we take them all from the list aux and pass them all to the list. So it's like so the cycle number was 6, so it was perfect. So only 6 times the while cycle was made to load the list with unique elements. So let me give a breakpoint here inside the, and we can run it again so you can see the how it works step by step or element by element. Let's wait a little. Let's stop here. So a little slow, but here we are at the first. We have here size list at the beginning, first 6. So the list 6, size 1. So alright, which already has 1. So I'm going to do F8. Okay, it's the second time that the cycle is going to run. So the list aux already have F5. It was chosen the 3, but we can put that here. It's 5 because the 3 was already taken. So size list, it's 5. With F8 you can pass through the lines. So here you can see that the size list is 5 because it was already 1 was taken. So the next random int was the number 2, and what is going to happen is that this number 2 is going to be taken, and it's going to be number 2 is going to be taken from the list auxiliary. It's going to be random number 2 is a random int. So the random int here is number 2, it's the index, and it's going to be added to number 4. So here it is, random number 4. It's going to be added. So, and it's going to be removed from the list aux. So it's not in the list aux already. And next time it's going to start again. It's going to see how many elements they have. So it says 4. It has in the list there's already number 3 and number 4, and in the list auxiliary it has whole less number 3 and number 4, so everything is right. Then move over, and next random int, it's the number 2, which is, let me see, and, which is number 5, and number 5 is added to the list. Added in the next step. Number 5 is added, yes, and it is deleted from the list aux, supporting list. And again and again and again and again. And so we have here the final list with the aleatoric unique elements. Thank you a lot, and hope you see us again.